Tired of the back and forth of traditional contract signing? Let's revolutionize your workflow with Dochub. First things first, we need to upload your contract. Simply click the Upload Document button on your Dochub dashboard. You can drag and drop your file or select it from your computer. Once your document is uploaded, you'll see it open in the Dochub editor now. Let's add the crucial signature fields on the right-hand side. You'll find a toolbar with various field types. To add a signature, click on the Signature field and then drag and drop it to the desired location on your contract where the signature needs to be placed. You can make this field required, meaning the signer must sign here. This is essential to ensure all necessary signatures are obtained. You can also add other fields like text boxes for names or dates. Now, let's identify who needs to sign. Click on Add Signer at the top of the screen. Enter the signer's first name, last name, and their email address if you have multiple signers. You can add them all here and even specify the signing order if needed. Once you've added your signers and their details, it's time to send. Click the prominent Send for Signature button. This will trigger an email to your signers with a link to access and sign the document. And just like that, your contract is out for signature. You can track the progress directly from your Dochub dashboard. No more printing, scanning, or mailing, just smooth, secure, electronic signing. Embrace efficiency and master contract signing with Dochub, your go-to for streamlined workflows. Contract signing Dochub tips.